Hi! In front of me is iPhone SE 2022 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. First of all, go into App Store and download your new default app, in my case Opera mini browser. You don't have to open it. When it's ready, just click Home button. Now you need to access device settings and scroll all the way down until you see your app. Now click on it, and as you can see, I have the full browser app option over here. I need to click on it and set up my Opera by simple tap. When it's ready, just go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!